Publish steadily. Nothing slips. Ideas scattered across your notes, half-written posts stuck with no idea where, and a publishing rhythm that always slips. This file holds all three in one place. Step 1. Set it up once. You only ever type in the yellow cells. Target posts per month, the refresh threshold for old posts, the pipeline bottleneck threshold. All of it is just settings you can change. On the right, your 7 editorial stages, post categories, and writers. This is what feeds every dropdown in the file. Step 2. Every keyword you research goes in here. You type in the volume and the difficulty. The priority score, the level bar, and the rank all work themselves out. High volume, low difficulty, and not written yet, means a higher score. And here is the part that stops you writing the same thing twice. Try typing a keyword that is already in the bank. The last column warns you straight away. This keyword is already in the bank. And if it already became a post, it says that instead. Step 3. 1 row per post, moving through your editorial pipeline. Total posts jumps from 15 to 16 right away. The row number fills itself in, so there is nothing to drag down. Move a post from idea to published, and the chip changes color at each stage. The red card on the end counts posts past their planned date but still not out. That is the pile to clear first. Step 4. The month grid fills itself with post titles by date. You never type into this grid. Change the month cell, and the grid rereads. Lots of empty cells means content gaps that month, and you can see the holes at a glance. Step 5. Once a post is live, log the page views and the keyword rank. The main keyword column pulls itself across from the ledger, so you never retype it. Top 3 ranks go green, top 10 go amber. Step 6, and this is where it earns its keep. Your publishing rhythm across the whole year. Category by 12 months shows which topic you keep piling into, and which category you left blank all year. Below it, the posts that have passed your refresh threshold. With titles, oldest first, and how many months have gone by. Step 7. Which group of posts do you want to look at? For yellow cells. Category, stage, writer, and month. The numbers and the list below follow immediately. Leaving a cell on -all means drop that criterion. Step 8. Who is carrying how much, and where they are stuck. The overdue column turns red when something is past its date. The note under the cards names your busiest writer, and your quietest one. And finally, the dashboard. 6 numbers for the state of the whole blog. The editorial funnel shows where posts are piling up. An unusually long bar is your jam. Plus 5 notes it writes for you. What is overdue, which month is short of target, what needs a refresh, and which keyword to write next. Scan the code to see this template on our website.